armed people. So he called me by a nickname that when it's pronounced in such a setting, the people on the ground don't believe that it is initials of your surname. They believe that you are a member of a political party. He said, MK, please open the door. Everyone else turned around to look at this MK. And they saw me. And others identified me as a person who has caused trouble a couple of months back. They all came in numbers to that car. I will not explain how I responded to it, but I responded to stay alive. But from that day, I was banned from working in the IFP area in Potchefstroom by my command. Now, because of the first initials of my surname, MK, so they associate me with them controversies. It branded me bad.
So that was General Mkhwanazi, guys, revealing that the initials of his surname that ended up giving him the nickname MK caused him a lot of trouble back there in KZN, because so many people, they were associating him with the name for MK Party, and they were saying this guy is associated with MK Party, and who is he? So the challenge that was there for General Mkhwanazi was that working in an area where there were so many people from IFP, it ended up putting his life in serious danger, because those people in that IFP dominated area, they did not like people from MK. So with General Mkhwanazi having the initials MK, it caused him a lot of trouble. So he ended up being shifted away from that police station where there are these people from IFP, so that he is not put in danger, like his life is not in danger due to that. So it's very much amazing, that something like that would happen, but anyway, it's actually happening. It's actually out there, and the General Mkhwanazi confessed about that. I'll catch you guys on the next one.